Hello America, Mark.Kelson here today, Junction City, Oregon at Guaranty RV to show you this beautiful Baystar Sport that's come in. It's a 2813 2019 model. Let's go in and look to see what it has to offer. The style, the colors, exquisite in this coach. Nice chocolate flavor on the couch, the dinette, the flooring, easy cleanup. Calypso maple, the cabinets. This cabinet's mitered corners, extremely well built. Nice little televator over here. So the TV is a push of a button, comes up or down. Right here, this one gives you the full oven with all these drawers, Corian countertop, nice microwave. Little door right there to put your countertops right there in. This does have the stainless steel sink, the Moen faucet, little extra extension. This is a great floor plan. Right over here we do have our refrigerator and freezer with the ice maker. Little pantry area right there. And then we have a little linen area right there, leading back here into our back bathroom, which is huge. Nice little area, a lot of lighting in there. You do have the skylight, big shower stall. Turning around, this is a king bed in the slide out that actually folds up when that slide comes in. Nice accent lighting on the slide outs. You have a rear window. You also have your 32-inch TV right here. And this is a great floor plan for this new year. Why don't we go up front and see what it has to offer? Coming up front, you got beautiful, beautiful storage. Up here you are on the Ford V10 with the 320 horsepower. This has this nice little table over here for your co-pilot to navigate. And you do have, speaking of navigation, you also have the navigation on this. You have the backup camera. This does come with side cameras. It also has the shade up front at the push of a button. It blocks that off. It won't go down if you're started, which is a good thing. You do have the auxiliary fans. This has the levelers over here. It has the heated mirrors with the automatic adjusters over there. And you also have your cruise control at the touch of a button on this Ford chassis. This is a beautiful coach. Let's go out and see what it has to offer out there. Baystar Sport. Now this one has a beautiful bronze color with the maroon and the dark brown. You have a lot of storage in this coach. So there's a storage area right there. You do have your water tank right there with storage on the side. Those close very nicely. Again, storage. See how good those close? Here is your 4,000 Onan generator. And then you have another rear storage area that actually goes up and over to the other side for those long items that you have no place to put. Say your skis, or if you're a surfer, whatever you are, that's the spot for you. Now here in the back, you have a 5,000-pound tow receptacle, and you have a camera up above to watch your tow vehicle as you're going down the road. LED lighting in this coach. Coming around to the side, this is the 30-amp service on this coach. More storage. Here's your water bay, your sewer hookups right here. Very convenient. More storage along with your winterization tube to do that on your own. You have a big LP tank right there in that bin. But full body paint, side cameras on this coach. This is just a beautiful coach. If this one is of interest to you and you want to go out and make some memories with your family or your friends, give this a shot. My name is Mark.Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you for watching.